Okay, so I'm in my E46 2002 and I have a button missing right here. So it's a very easy fix. I'm going to take this, the leather part of it, and pull up. You're going to see these two screws right there. We're going to take these out and we're going to replace this button. I'm going to take this component out and pop it on the sides, and I'll show you that in a bit. So we replaced, let me show you, replaced this button, and now it works right there. And we're gonna put it back in, okay? And this just snaps right in to here, snaps right in there. And then we're gonna put this unit back in here. And you see how the prongs are? We're gonna match it up, okay? There you go. And then this one on this side, make sure. And then we're just gonna set this back down there. Our screws back in here. It's pretty dirty. I really do like handheld screwdrivers, but